up, people? I'm in the car, but it's a beautiful morning. Birds chirping and stuff outside. I think I'm finna go make some breakfast.
Show that those who do wrong often find themselves in difficult situations. For instance, when Pharaoh refused to free the Israelites, his land faced many troubles. This was reminds us that sometimes difficulties can come back to those who caused them with injustice. Next, Psalm 35, verse 7. If they now call, this verse says that he will set traps for the sweeper, even when the sweeper will not go wrong. Only is to seek more injustice. Verse 8. Let destruction come upon the oppressors, and let his meat that he hath prepared
If you know,
themselves instead
you know.
This verse expresses the feelings and hoping that God will
See my little hack to opening cereal. I just cereal bowl. What's going on? I come in here sometimes, most of the time, spend time with the Lord. That's why I spend time with God. And I make music and all that in here too. But I come in here, I spend time with God. My Bible here. On that table. My journals. My other journal. I journal in full of ideas and drawings and stuff. I take notes on here, I put my notes here. And sometimes you gotta have a little routine in the morning, bro. Like when you wake up. Everybody don't got a set routine. Sometimes people just let their life create its routine. I let life create my routine till I went through a situation where God wanted more of my time. He wanted more of my time, so he had me praying in the morning. Praying in the morning is something I started doing, not to just get myself focused, but like really spending time with God, like really seeking him on what I should do, on how I should be, conducting myself on a day-to-day basis. And then it turned into a habit where I can't wake up in the morning without spending time with God. Or if I do accidentally wake up and be like, I gotta really get up and move, I come back to this place or in myself to a place where I spend time with God and pray and read, whether it's on my phone, whether it's in the car listening to it audibly, or whether I read out of my Bible in the studio. I just do what I need to do to spend time with God. I come up with song ideas. I come up with things, things to talk about on the internet. I'll make a beat. I look for a feeling that the music give me. Then I come up with a title for it. But you gotta have a personal routine that you follow. Everybody got one. It just depends on uh, what you trying to do with your life. I mean, you can't go throughout this life without having some type of structure. You feel me? Some type of structure. Wasn't a great update, but I told myself I'm gonna do this every day just to get comfortable with being on camera, bro. It's not easy. I don't like how I look sometimes, but I'm getting used to it. I got filter on. I ain't shaved, so I don't be looking that clean on my weekends off. I be looking rough. I don't care nothing about that. Why I threw on the filter. Cause you feel me? But for the most part, y'all enjoy your day, enjoy your morning. Come up with a routine for yourself to spend time with God. Work on your craft. Work on everything you got going on. If you don't do it, who gonna do it, you know? Peace.